Ka Sorkar jala kalarai ban pynkynriah no ikinyos pa pratali ki kam permanent jong border wing home guards. Shaka State Disaster Response Force SDRF hadien karai jong yin kashari ka balam shaka jingthung kam bapura yakini ginong trey. Ngila ay ka jing manjur ban pynkynriah no ikinyos pa pratali ki kam ka BWHG shaka SDRF. Ya kanila le na markadan karai jong yin kashari ka balayat bons na menta ong Menteri Rangba Konrad ke sangma habakran shikilat thai kubor hadir ka jingalang jong kinhun menteri haka arpun riotrik nailar ulapun bena baka Sorkar kan sathung biang ya nyospa prangot ki volunteer ki bathmai ban pendap iki kam ki balait dak ba pendan kam ya pisa ka bayo naka Sorkar pedang namar ngin pynkynriah no iki shirta shaka SDRF kumta kanikan pelat iki kam bah nyospa prangot ki beriu nakabenta jongi ban longkum ki volunteer ngin sathung iki nyospa prangot ki beriu namar kanika pisa kadan baka Sorkar India ulaong Menteri Rangba ula kular ban namar ka hukum jong yeng kashari ka Sorkar kan sa shimi ki senjam ki badan kam ban pentikna bakum kini ki ju ki jingja kin jia shu hadien habun
regarding the subsuming of 708 permanent posts of Border Wings Home Guard into the State Disaster Response Force. This basically is being done because there was a court ruling many years back where the government was asked to include these 708 people who were appointed at that point in time as permanent employees. And once they become permanent employees, we are not entitled to the voluntary personnel funds which are given by Government of India when it comes to the part-time volunteers. And as you're aware, Government of India gives that for the Border Wing Home Guards. Now, the decision we took today was that we will transfer these posts because they're already permanent employees based on a High Court ruling. And they will become State Disaster Response Force as we're already paying for them. And the 708 post, which will then become vacant technically, where we are not receiving funds from Government of India because they are no longer volunteers, they are now permanent staff, will become vacant because we will shift them permanently to the State Disaster Response Force, which will then create a vacancy of 700 people for us to take as volunteers. And we will recruit 708 people because this fund is available through Government of India and we get money for this. And we will make necessary provisions based on what we learned in the court ruling, which led to the permanent absorption of 708 to ensure that in the future that situation does not happen again.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.